What's good? I'm back with another video. Check it out. I finally got both project trucks out. This is gonna be a little short update. If you've been watching, you can see I'm rocking the 0304 Lightning style wheels on both trucks. They both are chrome and they're both 18 inches. This one's rocking the SVT center caps, and this one has the Lightning bolt. The Lightning has the Lightning bolt. They all running the same tire size as well, 295, 45, 18. I haven't done much to the trucks. The only thing I did really was throw on the wheels. I still haven't painted the front bumper on this one. I do have a drop kit for this truck ready to go on. I'm just waiting for the right time to get a video going. I also plan to color match the rest of the truck when I do the drop. I also plan to change out the headlights. As you can tell, these are mismatched. So yeah, this is gonna be a short little update on the trucks. I haven't had much time to get any footage because I've been working a lot of overtime. I'm waiting for the right time to get them days off and get a video going on both trucks. This truck is the one I'm excited for because I plan to put a lot of work into it. I plan to put a true dual exhaust setup. I plan to tint it all around, and we'll go from there. This one, the only difference it's gonna get is a front Lightning bumper once I color match it. Leave your comments, let me know what you think about the trucks. Like I said, it's gonna be a short video. Y'all stay tuned. I will be putting more work into them.